Is there an AI Spanish language chat app that you like the best? Um, that's a good question. In my opinion, from my experience, like most of those apps, like those like a Spanish tutors, they're basically BS, if not scams. My funny story. My mom was trying to learn English, and she downloaded one of these apps. It was like called Elsa or something, and yeah, it was very very like mid. In my opinion, the best like AI chatbots or anything like that, firstly, is not AI, it's just humans. So go on like Hello Talk, or the Speak Spanish Hub, and you can join and speak for people. That's the best way. And then the next best thing is to like, in my opinion, the next best thing is AI, just ChatGPT or like, I think Gemini has one, Claude has one. I think AI works the best because AI has just been getting like better and better, especially at like having conversations, right? That's the whole chatbot element of it. And so AI is just getting better and better. And I wish I had like ChatGPT when I was learning Spanish. Because when I was starting off, I was so nervous to speak with natives on Hello Talk. And I wish I could just open AI and just speak like with ChatGPT like I do now.